Hi, I'm Paul Blackburne from Blackburne Property Group. Eclipse has already had 3 years of intense design development. Every inch of the development's been studied and workshopped by the best interior designers, architects and other consultants that money can buy. Nothing has been left to chance. Every detail's been thought about so that you come to Eclipse and you know that you've got a truly 5-star apartment building with world-class facilities that Perth has never seen before. One of the unique things about Eclipse is the sense of space. The kitchen, dining, living and bathrooms are almost double the size of what you'd see in an apartment in Western Australia. They're actually bigger than what you'd see in most large luxury family homes. If you come down to the Eclipse display suite in the weekends, you can see, touch and feel kitchens, bathrooms, view the video, meet one of the consultants and try and find an apartment that's exactly what you need.